Hello friends, this is Dipti from रुद्रा एजुकेशन. वेलकम टू माय चैनल रुद्रा एजुकेशन. इस वीडियो में हम करंट अफेयर रिलेटेड कुछ जनरल नॉलेज के क्वेश्चंस देखने वाले हैं जो आपके कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए, आपके सब ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, चाहे वो एसएससी हो, रेलवे हो, बैंकिंग के लिए हो. ऑल क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल दिस एग्जामिनेशंस. सो प्लीज़ गाइज वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा और लाइक कमेंट शेयर करना मत भूलना. तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ वैशाली एस हिवासे हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द फर्स्ट वुमेन ऑफिसर ऑफ विच सेंट्रल आर्म्ड पुलिस फोर्स. सो द आंसर विल बी the answer will be the BRO. Option A. Option A is the answer of this question. The Border Roads Organization, BRO. The Border or Roads Organizations has appointed Vaishali S. Hivase as the first woman officer to command a road construction company. So the next question. Come to the next question. Okay, so next question is PM Jan Arogya Yojana was launched in line with which Sustainable Development Goal, SDG. So the answer will be option number B. Option number B, CDG 3. Sustainable Development Goal 3 states ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. So the answer is option number B. Now third question. Which institute has demonstrated the conversion of nitrogen generator into oxygen generator? So the answer is B. IIT Bombay. IIT Bombay. The Indian Institute of Technology Bombay has set up a demonstration unit to convert nitrogen generators into oxygen generator by modifying the existing nitrogen plant setup. So the next question is, fourth question is, Central Farm Machinery Training and Testing Institute is based in which state? तो ये जो इंस्टीट्यूट है वो किस स्टेट में बेस्ड है? सो द आंसर इज़ ओवर हियर. आर आंसर इज़ मध्य प्रदेश. ये मध्य प्रदेश में बेस्ड है. सो द सेंट्रल फार्म मशीनरी ट्रेनिंग एंड टेस्टिंग इंस्टीट्यूट is situated in the Madhya Pradesh. So now next question is, which is the first small finance bank formed from cooperative bank in India? Okay, so answer is Shivalik Small Finance Bank. Shivalik Mercantile Cooperative Bank Limited was granted an in principal approval from the Reserve Bank of India for transition into a small finance bank in 2020. So the next question is, which business major has declared to buy online grocer Big Basket and has approved CCI's approval? So the answer will be option C, Tata Group. Tata Group has proposed to purchase online grocer Big Basket and it has received the approval from Competition Commission of the India for the acquisition. Now next question is, which country has launched for Tianhe module to space? So the answer will be the option D, China. China has launched the Tianhe module, which is key component of the new permanent space station of the country. So the next question is, which country has proposed to introduce self-driving cars by the end of 2021? So the answer will be option C, UK. The government of United Kingdom has proposed to permit operations of self-driving cars by end of the year 2020. Now next question is, which company has constructed India's first 3D printed house? So the option is, our option will be option C. Option C is the answer. Vasta Manufacturing Solutions. Manufacturing Solutions, which is startup formed by alumni of IIT Madras in 2016. Now next question is, and last question, this is Michael Collins. Michael Collins, whose name was in news recently, was associated with which field? So option B is the answer, space science. The Michael Collins, who was the pilot of NASA's Apollo 11, which is carried Neil Armstrong to the moon, died recently. So these are the 10 questions of GK. Thanks for watching, and वीडियो एंड तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत थैंक्स। एंड लाइक कमेंट शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। और आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, पसंद आया होगा।